All right, this is number 16. This is an odd one. This isn't really that not many people are really going to know about this certain custom. And I'd like to say before we start off that I appreciate everybody watching the channel, checking out the channel, and all their feedback and comments. I appreciate all you guys. So we got Buzz Lightyear. Yeah, Buzz Lightyear. I'm going to leave that in there. I'm not going to take that out. We got Woody from Toy Story. I just prefer Buzz over Woody, to be honest with you. But right here, to your left, is Wild Bill Big Cock. He is a sheriff that's on the channel. At the end of this video, I'll put the link to his video introducing this actual figure, if you want to see it. But just let you know, I can't remember exactly what was in the video, so it may be not everybody's. Probably it's not a video that everybody would like, I'm assuming, but I'm going to put it up anyway. So we have Woody from Toy Story, $10 figure, and I'll get to the zebra in a minute. So I completely took him apart. I did a tutorial on this, by the way. I just never put it up because I don't think there would be enough interest for anybody to watch it. After my last, the Helitor, my last video on my custom, the Skeletor, the red one, that was kind of time consuming. So every once in a while, I still want to paint. I still want to do customizations. I still want to change things around. But every once in a while, when I get something I get hooked on and it takes me a while to finish, I like to do something where it's quick, fun, easy, and that's it right there. Not too much thought. Just put some music in and just keep painting and just keep going. So like I said, this character was based off Wild Bill Big Cock. As you can see, the difference here from side to side is that I cut his head off first, because you notice at his bandana here, that bandana goes down a little bit further around the neck, the collar on Woody. That was kind of a pain. Wild Bill Big Cock doesn't have a scarf or neck or whatever. He doesn't have a bandana around his neck. And I didn't want to leave it there because if he doesn't have one, I wanted to remove it so it looked more like to the original what I'm trying to do. So I took that out and had to cut his head. Then I had to shave him down and glue it back down here. I don't have any articulation in the head right here. I don't have any. It doesn't move side to side, but I didn't care as much because this is just a fun project I did just to do it. So I'm not worried too much about the articulation. The head's straight, that's the way it is. The hats do come off. No big deal. I got it taped on there just in case. But I just didn't want to lose the hat. Just leave the hat on, because these hats aren't the best. They tend to want to fall off. Anyway, we'll get to this in a minute. Let me show you. I think that's the only thing that I did the actual custom, except I'll get some close-ups here in a minute too. I tried different things with the mask. Couldn't figure nothing out. So I did it out of clay. The mask is clay, the nose is clay, the goatee is clay. But what I did was, I don't know how well you can see it on camera, probably not that great, that the skin tones are different. Let me try to get a little closer. I don't know if you can tell, it's a little bit more matte, a little more of a, it's a little off. I did that on purpose. I masked all this off, I masked the hair off, and I masked it all off, and I resprayed it with some primer. He's more of a yellow. This is more of a pink skin color. If you can't tell too much on camera. And then I just didn't like the color of Woody's skin on this one. I just didn't like it for some reason. I don't know what it is. Let me get up some. And they look kind of, one looks taller than the other, but it's not. You can see this is not, like I said, a great figure or anything. It's a $10 figure, $9.99. I don't know, one looks taller than the other. I don't know why. That's weird. I guess it's the hat. Anyway, I know I'm trying to struggle in here for some reason, because I don't want to miss nothing. There's a couple of things in my past videos that I missed. I wanted to tell you guys, and so what I did, went back in, got the colors. Like I said, very clean app, very clean, extremely clean applications. And I wrote Sheriff as best I could, like it is on the paper badge on there. But like I said, very clean, I was going for a very clean app, not so much a rugged down look. I'm going very clean, as clean as I could possibly get it. It's not the best, but I did, a little bit colors here and there, a little different than Woody. I got a minigun. This is from the Gunslinger Spawn, and there's a reason why he has a minigun. Like I said at the end of the video, if you watch the video I made, that's of Wild Bill introducing this figure going into mass production, which I'm kidding, I'm not serious. He'll explain what happened or what it's all about. Down by the boots, clean as I can get them. Clean, kind of trying to get clean straight lines. Here's the original. Let me see here. Trying to watch this at the same time I'm doing it. Like I said, just clean stuff, clean as I can get it. And the hands and the arms. I did the hands over again. You could probably see the difference now in the shade. I took the hands off and did those again. I redid them to have a different shade of skin. I didn't want the yellowish looking Woody skin. I wanted a little more of a pink human skin, and I went with that. What else did I do? The buckles here, you can see, change those up a little bit. Black belt, silver buckle instead of a gold one. Completely blued out. Yeah, blued out. Put blue on the vest. The only thing different between this figure and Wild Bill himself is that Wild Bill has a blue jacket, but he does have a red shirt. But I only have, this is kind of a quick thing I thought of to do, kind of funny. But like I said, I had to put meat on there, put the lips on there, put the clown makeup on there, the stripe around the lips, and the smile on his face, whatever you want to call it. Like I was mentioning earlier, this is just multi-put. This is multi-put. This is multi-put. That's multi-put, and I glued them on there with super glue. But everything's just, kind of a fun one. I know you guys, most of the people that come here to the channel, or you happen to see this video, this is a custom character that's on the channel. And now the zebra, this is multi-put. The zebra is Wild Bill's companion. Wild Bill thinks it's a horse, but it's a zebra. So I went to Michael's and paid $10 for this little piece of plastic. I had to have it. Had to have it complete. Oh shit! Had to see that. There we go. There we go. Wild Bill got all upset. Let me see here. Let me get his hat. Oh, everything's falling apart now. This blue shit. These hats on these figures, they don't want to stay on. For some reason, not very good. I'm sure if this is. I mean, this is more or less a kid's toy anyway. I get it, but I'm sure every kid lost a hat. All right, let's put him in here and back him up here and get a comparison here. Get this going on. I had to jam his hat on. Let's get a comparison going on here. I got some Woody, Wild Bill. There you go. Side to side. With Darren in the middle. Right there. So there you go. A kind of a personal custom that I just put in my case to look at. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.